You're able to remove old addresses and dispute an eviction. Let me show you how. You're gonna go to this website here and download your 3 credit reports. Examine all those credit reports. Take note of every time your name is misspelled or it has the wrong address. You're gonna put that information on an identity dispute letter. Then you're gonna send it to the credit bureaus and wait 30 days for their response and for their removal. Now for that eviction, let me show you how to dispute that. You're gonna go back to those credit reports that you downloaded. Take note of the eviction item as well as any other negative item on your report. Then you can go to these websites. These are secondary reporting bureaus. You're going to freeze your secondary reporting agency account. You're going to send a series of dispute letters starting with the verification dispute letters and send them to the 3 credit bureaus. The first 2 rounds of letters take 30 days from the bureaus to receive it, and if there are any mistakes or if they don't verify, the eviction gets removed. Now where you get those letters, you can write them yourself or you can come to my DIY system and my system will write these up for you, both the identity and the dispute letter. And that's how